VELTECH, MULTITECH, Dr. RANGARAJAN, SAKUNTHALA Engineering College, Department of MCA Final Year Project presented by K.SARAVANAN. Project title is Achieving Fast Convergence and Security through MPLS and Mpls-Vpn in IPV4 Layer 3 network. The abstract is IPV4 network with MPLS network proposed to overcome the limitations of IPV4 network. The network shares the information through VPN and it provides the corporate domain to access, transfer, receive data like voice, video or any form of data with high efficient security and resource management. MPLS plays a key role in NG networks by delivering high efficient quality of service, which is the QoS. And VPN provides at layer 1 and 2 are efficient but lacked providing uninterpreted transmitted and reception of data, their high physical connectivity and reduced knowledge of high layer device. Existing system problem analysis. In the existing system, there are like REP, OSPF and EIGRP as all low convergence time. Disadvantages in the existing system: convergence time differ whenever modification occur in network, packet loss increases in network failure, and latency is high in networks, less security, limitations in IPv4 network, less security system, remote performance fast per basic routing properties. Proposed system. What is proposed system? MPLS in wide area network. Routing protocols like OSPF, MPLS, BGP and Mpls-Vpn. OSPF is nothing but open short path first, MPLS and BGP and Mpls-Vpn. MPLS employed with OSPF for IPv4 addressing provides standard traffic engineering along with BGP protocol, provides inter-as-assigned reliability and connectivity and in a secured layer 3 VPN. System analysis: hardware configuration, host, switch and routers. Software configuration: system software, router version 12.7, host OS Windows 7, RAM 4 GB. Simulators like GNS, VPCS and Wireshark to capture the tools. OSPF, Open Shortest Path First, is a link state routing protocol for internet protocol networks. It uses link state routing algorithm and falls into group of interior routing protocols, operate with a single autonomous system, AS, which is the AS. It gathers link state information from available routers and construct a topology map of the network. Continuation of OSPF is a fastest routing protocol which is used to improve the performance of routing. Areas and LSA are used for fast convergence. MPLS. Components of MPLS: customer edge router, which works at IP level. Provider edge router is a entry provider of MPLS domain. It is called the label edge routers. Provider edge routers are working at transmit switches in between LERs. There are known as label router switches. Label switches path is the different data path between two routers through which packet are traveling. This is the proposed system. This is in cloud. When connected with all the routers is an SPI, and a SPI can communicate only to SPI and ICSI only communicate ICSI and HDFC and communicate to HDFC. In this network only the OSPF, BGP, all the protocols are implemented. Module description: designing wide area network, assigning IP address to host and routers, implementing OSPF and BGP protocols, implementing VPN and MPLS protocols, analyzing all the routing protocols. These are the module descriptions. Assigning IP address to routers. First, change user mode to privilege mode and R1 enable. Second is the global configuration, config terminal. Third is the interior mode, which is the interface mode. Interface mode uses gigabit or fast Ethernet or Ethernet modes, which we can assign the IP addresses. example as shown here by assigning the IP address. OSPF protocol. OSPF protocol, Open Shortest Path First, is a link state routing protocol for inter-protocol IP networks. It uses link state routing vector algorithm to fall on groups of interior routing protocols operate with a single autonomous system. It gathers link state information from available routers and construct a topology map of the network. This is the configuration of OSPF. As you see, we have to first go to the configuration mode, router OSPF 10, which is the ID of OSPF. And next, we have to redistribute BGP 1000 matrices to 25 subnets, and we have to assign the redistributed network, which is 172.23.0.0, and the host ID is 0.255.255 in area 3. BGP is nothing but a broader gateway protocol. BGP is a standardized exterior gateway protocol. BGP is a routing protocol of choice on the internet. BGP utilizes TCP and for reliable transfer of its packets like port 179. This is the example for enabling BGP. Implementing BGP in VPN provider routers like, as you see, the configuration terminal of the configuration of the routers enabled with control and interface gigabyte 1. After that, we are enabling the routers as remote and redistributing all the process. Security analysis. Security analysis is an customer edge router and service providers, which as we see, security, all those things will be pinged to one system to another, SPA to SPA, ICH to ICH, and HDFC to HDFC. Configuration analysis. Configuration analysis is a configuration time is measures how fast a group of routers reaches a state of convergence time. It is one of the main design role and an important performance indicates for routing protocols to implement the mechanism to allow routing and running through all. This is the achievement of MPLS and OSPF by implementing OSPF in IPV4 layer networks. Thank you.